Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a slime vending machine that I made. So I made this slime vending machine, $2, a water bottle, my slimes, and some washi tape, and some markers and stuff. So how you use the slime vending machine is I have a bunch of my slimes in here. I put into little containers, and how you use it is you take your quarter, you put it into your 25-cent thing, it stays there, and you turn, and they have arrows on there to show you which way to turn, and you turn it, and turn it again, and then you get your slime. And so I have a lot of slimes in here, and so let me show you the inside of my slime vending machine. So here's the inside of my slime vending machine. So up here I have all my slimes. Right here I put these pieces of hard foam so that my cardboard would stay up. And then I have this water bottle which I use, and this is the turning knob. So you would open it, one would go in, and then you would turn it, and then it would go out. This one was holding the thing on the whole time, the back. And you've got this here so that it will stay up, so it won't fall down. And then here is where all the slimes come out of. They come out down here. So let me show you some of my slimes in here. I've got my galaxy slime. I've got a bunch of those slimes because there was a lot of it. I've got my green butter slime. Oh, it's stuck to the top. No. Oh no. Oh no. I need some help. Then I've got this clear slime, which is really hard. I've got the one I pulled out earlier, which you saw. I've got my poop brown slime. This was also made in a video. Then I've got this purple one, which is really sticking to the top. Okay. Then I got this rainbow, confetti slime. Oh, don't come out. Then I've got this galaxy birthday slime. So you never know which slime you're going to get in the vending machine. Thanks for watching my slime vending machine video. Stay tuned for more video and see you next time.